Hi, thanks for stopping by. I'm AJ, a licensed esthetician. Allow me to introduce myself. I've been in the business for 16 years, 11 of which I've owned my own beauty biz studio. I've survived an economic recession and a global pandemic. If you'd like to see how I operate my beauty biz, please feel free to like and subscribe. Hey you guys, it's AJ. I'm in Arizona at Celebrity Skin Studio, and I just wanted to check in and see how you guys are handling some of this stuff, getting ready for your big reopen. So I've been in my studio all day today, just cleaning and re-cleaning and getting ready, and just made some changes, and it's kind of feels sterile in here, but I did a couple things to spruce it up, just maybe so my clients wouldn't notice as much. But one of the things that I did, I don't know if you can see this, I've got one little chair there in the corner, and I'm just keeping it easy peasy because I don't know what it's gonna look like, and I don't want to have to be responsible for sanitizing 4 chairs all at the same time in between clients. So I'm trying to make it easier on myself. So I took out some of the chairs. I also took all my pretty little pillows. See them up there? I've run out of space for some of this stuff, but just trying to do what I can to make it a little more sanitary. So if I have to spray down everything really quick in between clients, it's easier to do that. Another thing I did just to kind of, you know, liven things up a little bit. I don't know if you can see that, but I put a new little doormat there just to add a pop of color, maybe to distract from some of the less homey feelings I have in my spa. Now, when I have somebody in here, I always like it to be like I've invited them into my home as a guest, and it makes me sad that I have to get rid of some of the things. One of the things I did, I sell Farmhouse Fresh products, and they come with testers, and so I was thinking I don't think it's wise to leave testers out right now, so I removed all of those and packed them away. I literally wiped down every surface, any hard surface I could, with bleach solution, and then I did the floors today with bleach as well. So I don't know that it could get much cleaner, but I have one of these credit card machines here. You can see this guy, and it's got a pin pad. So I set out some alcohol wipes next to it, and I'll put a little sign up there so that when people are checking out, if it makes them feel more comfortable that they can, you know, wipe those things down, they can do that. And I had about, like I said, 4 big chairs in here, and I've stacked them up in the corner. There they are. So nobody would be tempted to sit on them. Because like I said, I don't want to have to worry about sanitizing any more than I have to in between clients. And I used to have 2 really cute, this is my makeup area, and I had 2 really cute makeup bar stools here, and I'm taking those out. Some of the things I'm putting in my garage, some of them I don't have room for, so it's going to be a little not as cute as normal in here. But I'm wondering what you guys are doing about makeup. I'm not feeling super comfortable with the idea of makeup right now, so I may hold off on bringing that back as an available surface for a little while. But I'm curious what you got in my treatment room. Something I had a chair over here in the corner, and now you'll see it's empty. I'm just trying to keep it simple and easy peasy, and as probably most of you have already planned on doing, I took the blanket off of my bed. I stored my steamer up there on top of the cabinet because someone mentioned possible, you know, things blowing in your face, I guess, when you're doing steaming, and it's a valid concern. So just doing things a little bit different. I'm not coming from a place of fear. I'm just trying to be very proactive and make sure that I give my clients the most sanitary and serene experience that I can give them. I have one of these, I'm going to show you guys, one of these blue pads. They're for waxing. See that? I wanted to get something for my bed to go between the bed and the foam and the stuff that I use on my bed for a little extra comfort for the clients. So I dug that out, and you can actually wipe it down, sanitize it. You can use alcohol on it. or I'm assuming a Clorox wipe would be just fine too, but just to have a little added barrier between the client and the foam pad and the heating blanket and all that stuff that's going on under there. So just curious to know what your thoughts are and what you guys are doing. That's it. I'm tired. I have been cleaning my brains out all day and I'm ready to go home, but I just wanted to pop in and say hi and see what you guys are up to, and let me know what you're thinking about makeup, because I'm just not real sure.